Steve Kimpton. I've worked for Aloha Pools for my 21st year. I've probably been a project manager for the last 7 or 8 years, somewhere around there. We've got jobs ranging from all over the Mornington Peninsula up to Melton, and you've got stalls all over the place. So we try and plan ahead. We know what we need before a job, but every job's different, and we'll come to things where things pop up and surprise us, and we try and plan, make sure we've got it in advance. But those few times that we do need something, it's like, oh no, Reece will have that, and 99 times out of 100, yes, you do. And if we ring up and say we want this, this and this, you pretty much tell us there, yes, that's in stock. More often than not, it'll get delivered, within probably an hour or two, and gets us out of the jam. If it means that we can work an extra hour or two, but get it done because the item that we need is delivered, it's absolutely invaluable. Working with you for 10 years, it suggests that we're definitely happy with you guys, and so that for us is invaluable because you will sort of go that extra mile to try and help us out if we need it. From our company trying to grow, it's invaluable having Reece, being able to supply us with our growing needs, knowing that Reece is there as a supplier with that sort of range of product and the ability to get it to us if we have to. That definitely is, it's comforting to know.